Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to change lanes and give you some lane change tips that will help you pass your driving test. Now I'll be going over the process for actually changing lanes, and then I'll switch a few lanes as soon as I get past this traffic, and I'll also give you some tips for changing lanes and passing your driving test using this skill. Now let's get right to it. First and foremost, the process for changing lanes. Now what you want to do is you want to, number one, decide that you're going to change lanes. So you want to, in your head, say, okay, I have to change lanes, either to the right or to the left. You need to know which direction. Then you want to use your turn signal. Now your turn signal is a lever that is right beside your steering wheel. Obviously, I'm assuming you know that because you're watching this video, but I'm going to explain it anyways. You want to use your turn signal to indicate the direction that you want to change lanes to. So if you want to switch lanes to the right, you're going to put your right turn signal on. If you want to switch lanes to the left, you're going to put your left turn signal on. Now, once you have your signal on, you are letting all of the other drivers around you know that you want to switch lanes, that you want to change lanes to the right or to the left. So the next things that you have to do are to ensure that it is safe to actually change lanes. Now, how do you ensure that it is safe? Well, it's a very simple process. You check your mirrors and you check your blind spot. Now, you should always check your rear view mirror. So you should check your rear view mirror, and that will give you an idea of what's happening behind your car. Then you should check the side mirror that is on the side of the lane that you want to switch to. So if I'm switching to the right lane, then I'm going to check my right side mirror. If I'm switching to the left lane, I'm going to check my left side mirror. Then I'm going to check the appropriate blind spot. Now, the blind spot is basically the area beside your car that you can't see with your mirrors. So to do a blind spot check, you basically have to just do a little shoulder check. You're going to turn your head either to the right if you're switching lanes to the right, or to the left if you're switching lanes to the left. Now, you want to do this quickly. You don't want to hold it there for a couple seconds. It's just a quick glance over the shoulder, just like that. So basically, to sum it up, you decide which lane you want to switch to, you put your signal on, you check your mirrors, and then you check your blind spot. Then the actual process for switching lanes is what you have to develop as a skill, and I'll explain some tips for helping you out. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start driving now, because the light is green, excuse me, and I'm going to switch lanes. So I'm going to start driving. I'm currently driving in the left lane. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my right turn signal on. Okay, that lets other drivers know that I want to switch lanes. I can see in my mirrors that there's a car approaching quickly, but I'm going to check my mirrors again, check my blind spot. It is safe to switch, so I just veer a little bit to the right, just like that. Now you'll notice that when I switched lanes, it was a very smooth process. Let's switch lanes to the left. Left turn signal, mirrors, blind spot. Watch how much I turn the steering wheel, just a little bit to the left. And I straighten back out, just like that. What you want to do when you switch lanes is you want to use these tips to make the lane changes smooth and safe. So now I'll go over the tips that will help you with passing your driving test. And lane changing is an important part of your driving test. So if you know how to switch lanes properly, safely, and smoothly, then you're probably not going to lose points when you switch lanes. And that's an area that many people lose points on. So here are some tips. Number one, the first tip is to start off on empty streets and then work your way to switching lanes in traffic. I'm an experienced driver and there's heavy traffic, but because I have experience, I feel safe switching lanes in heavy traffic. Like right now, signal, mirrors, blind spot, lane change after the intersection, which I'll go over in just a moment. Now I'm past the intersection significantly, check them again, good to go. Do my safety check a second time, just in case. All right, so the first tip, start off, not during traffic hour, but on an empty street, switch lanes multiple times until you get the hang of it, then work your way to traffic hour. Work your way to switching lanes with more cars on it, okay? Tip number two is you want your lane change to be gradual. What you don't want to do, and I'll do this now because I'm at a stop, you don't want to get your steering wheel and switch lanes as if you're driving on a racetrack. That's not the right way to do it. You want your lane change to be smooth and gradual. You want to take your steering wheel, veer it a little bit to the right and straighten out. Or take your steering wheel, veer it a little bit to the left and straighten out. It's as simple as that. Veer it until your car's in the lane at a good angle and then straighten out to get your car driving straight in that lane. Tip number three is you want to switch lanes with two hands, okay? Now, yes, it is possible to switch lanes safely with one hand. I'm not saying it's impossible, but driving with two hands, especially when switching lanes, is much safer. So as often as you can, try and switch lanes with two hands, okay? That's tip number 3. Tip number 4 is you want to maintain speed while switching lanes as much as possible. So when you switch lanes, you should only switch lanes when it is possible for you to do so at the same speed. You shouldn't have to slow down or speed up to switch lanes. If you have to slow down or speed up when you're switching lanes, then you probably shouldn't have switched lanes to begin with. So you want to maintain your speed. If you're driving 50 kilometers an hour on the street and you know and you want to switch lanes, then you want to maintain that speed of 50 kilometers an hour even as you switch lanes. I now have to switch lanes because this lane is being blocked off. Signal, mirrors, pass the intersection, blind spot, just gradually turn the steering wheel and straighten out. As you saw right there, two hands on the steering wheel, gradually turn. Let's switch back to the right. Right signal on, mirrors, blind spot, good to go. Switch lanes to the right, just like this. Very, very simple. There's actually another lane being blocked off up there further up because of construction, so you'll probably get to see at least one more in this video. Now, with regards to other tips, it's just a matter of practicing so that you can do it smoothly and safely. Now, ideally, when you're switching lanes, you don't want it to have to take like 30 seconds or 45 seconds. You don't want it to take a long time, because at that point, if you're checking all of your safety checks, then a car might approach you within that time frame. So let's do one more lane switch. Signal, mirrors, blind spot, veer to the left, straighten out. It's that simple. Now, just like I said, practice makes perfect, and this will be the last tip of this video. Practice makes perfect. You want to be able to switch lanes all within a matter of a few seconds, okay? You want to be able to switch lanes, let's say within like 7 seconds as a maximum, okay? And you want to do it appropriately. Basically, you don't want to cut anyone off. You don't want to have to slam on your brakes. You don't want to create an unsafe situation. You just want to switch lanes in order to get into a different lane. So we'll do one more right here. Put my right turn signal on, mirrors, blind spot, veer to the right, switch lanes. And what I'll do, since there's not many cars around, I'll do one more lane switch. Left turn signal, mirrors, blind spot, veer to the left, just like this. All right, now I'll slow down to let this person go. Go ahead. And that's basically it. In this video, I have shown you how to switch lanes and also how to use some tips with regards to lane switching to help you pass your driving test. Now, lane switching and lane changing is an important part of the driving test, and it's also a part, like I said before, where many people lose points on, and it sometimes causes people to fail. It's the amount of points that they lose on that might take them over the top of the failing point milestone, whatever you would like to say. But I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. What are your tips for changing lanes? Has this video helped you learn how to change lanes better, smoother, and safer? Let me know down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.